my beautiful people, how you are doing? Hope you're doing great. And even if you're not doing so great, do not worry, you'll be fine. Like I said, dress the way you want to feel, and everything will go just the way you want it to. I've really missed you guys, and we are in a new year. Everything that you wish to achieve, whatever goal you wish to achieve, I pray you all get it this year. It's another beautiful video, and in this compilation I put together Ankara sketch and blouse. But before we go into the video, I also want to appreciate all my subscribers. I'm so happy. Despite being sick through the remainder of last year, I came online only to find that we've gotten to 1,000. I was so happy, and I'm grateful to you guys because you guys made it happen. Now our goal is 5,000, and I believe that you guys can do it. And if you're a new subscriber here or you're a new viewer viewing our channel, we say a big welcome to you. Welcome to the community, and what we post here are various styles that suit different shape, because we believe that there are varieties in life. There are different kind of people and different kind of shape, and we express ourselves in different ways, and we can do that through African prints, through various styles. And these styles are styles you can wear to a party, to your work, or whatever social event you wish to attend. We always have something for you. If it sounds like something that would interest you, and in the future we'll also be including DIYs, so you both old and new subscribers should stay tuned for that. And if this sounds like something that interests you, please subscribe and let me know. This compilation, would you like to see more? Do you have a particular range in mind? I want you to feel inspired. I love the fabric in this set of videos. They are very catchy, and the styles are very fashionable, and they can be worn by anybody shape, because most of the tops are made are peplum styles, and peplum styles, as you know, are concealer styles. I love the fact that they just give you that classic look, and whatever your body size, you can wear these styles comfortably. And but of course, I do not want to forget the beautiful fashionistas that create this